This stuff all over the table everywhere, and it's all over the table everywhere because I've been really busy working on a lot of stuff.
Jewelry, da, BDK, handmade magic in every hue, color in the beat, story in the line, art on your skin, let your spirit shine. Jewelry by BDK, bold, divine, crafted with love, one beat at a time. Wear your truth, let your style speak loud. This is jewelry by BDK. Stand strong, stand proud.
But I wanted to stop by real quick because I'm working on some keychains, and the keychains I am working on, I'm using some of the faces. Now the faces I was going to use for earrings, but then I changed my mind. I was like, you know what? I don't think so. Now over the weekend, I made, my purse is in the room. I made myself a purse accessory. So like, just stuff hanging from it and all that type of stuff using some of the hand painted beads and a whole bunch of other stuff I have in here. And it had like 4 different something hanging on it and all that good stuff. But anyway, 2 of the ones that I made it to new homes on yesterday, right? So I was like, you know what? That's a really good idea to make purse accessories and actually keychains. Okay. So I was like, okay, well, these won't be earrings. These are going to basically be some keychains. Okay. And I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I have 6. So I only have 6 of these, right? And if you guys were to buy them, you could probably, not probably, but you can buy as many as you wanted because JC sells these. So you would be able to get as many as you want, right? But for me, I have 6. She sent me 6. So I have 6 of these small ones, but they are going to be keychains. So the different ways, now, if you do a keychain, it could be the simple way like this. You can paint the face and do whatever you want to do. The back is black and all that good stuff. So you can do it to where it's just simple like this because a lot of people don't want a whole bunch of stuff hanging everywhere. This could be used for just your keys. And it can go in your purse. It just depends. And if you paint a little better than I do, then you should come out with some really, really, really cool, pieces, right? Also, with this one of the ladies really loved the wire wrapped charms that was on my accessory, right? My accessory that's on my purse accessory. So this is one like this, and this is just a simple one. And it would be a keychain, right? But I'm going to make more of these that are longer with a lot more stuff on them. I'm going to make some like fringes, the little fringes, but they'll be leather. And then there's some other things that I want to make that are braided and braided with the leather. And then I'm gonna keep that to myself, but there's some stuff I want to do to the keychain to make it a little bit more jazzy, a little bit more boho-ish, right? So this is just one of those keychains. And then this is one like right here. So people who like a lot, so you want it a little bit longer. You got the face on here. So the face, I'm trying to hold this. The face is painted, right? We got another charm, and then we got some stuff hanging down here. And I could put more on here to make it more, like a lot fuller and stuff, but I was like, nah, I'll go ahead and leave them like this because it's easy, it's simple. And then I'm gonna get one of those hangers where you hang keychains, and that I'm gonna make a whole bunch of keychains. Okay, so this is this one, and then I got this one. So this is another one that I made, and then this one I use one of the coconut chips. So we got that on there, and then we use one of the cowrie, the metal cowrie. So then we have this one. They could look good without anything and just hanging like this. And I will have some hanging like this, right? But then I kind of like this. You guys already know I like more. So I like this. And then if somebody wanted to, they could hang even more stuff on here and it would really be a really nice purse accessory. But these are just some of the ones that I actually made keychains using the faces. These blanks that I got from JC. So this is what they look like. So not only earrings, I mean, you can make keychains. There's a lot of stuff you can do with these. So like the keychains. So we got this right here. These could even be like bookmarkers. You know how you do the part for the bookmark, and then after you can have your little face that comes over it. So you got your bookmark in the inside, and then you got your little face that hangs. There is like so many things you can do with these. It's just crazy because they're cute. They're little enough, or you can get the big ones. Like I like the big ones. You guys already know. And I did a video, I think yesterday, showing you those. So I am going to come back and make something. I just don't know when. I've been busy working on some other stuff. But anyway, wanted to show you guys these, the keychains, purse accessories, whatever. Um, whatever people want to use them for is what they can use them for. But anyway, darling, night for Joy by Beauty Can. Guess what? We'll talk.